How to purchase a bike share pass in Transit app. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can purchase a bike share pass in the Transit app. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Transit application, and then the second step is to connect your existing bike share account. Now you can see on my screen that I am currently in an unsupported region, and due to that, there are some features that will not be available to me, such as connecting my account to a bike share account. Okay, but for you, once you're your home screen, you would see some options, you would see some stations. Just tap on the bike share station closest to your location. After doing that, in the options displayed, tap unlock a bike. Alright, then after clicking on unlock a bike, at the lower part of the screen, you would see an option which says connect here to sign in into your bike share account, enter your email and sign in. And then once you're connected to your bike share account, you are now ready to unlock a bike. Then you select the pass you would like to purchase. Okay, so after selecting the bike you'd like to purchase, you'll be asked to enter in your details, your payment details, make your payment. Then after making your payment, you have now purchased a ticket, and then you can choose to store it in your profile by tapping on ride later on the window being displayed to you, or you can get a code to unlock your bike by tapping on use now, and then you are good to go. So this is how it works, okay? This is how you can purchase a bike share pass in Transit app. Very, very simple, quick and easy. Ensure you follow through the processes and get it as soon as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.